Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about definite article. The word the is called the definite article. We use the article the before nouns starting with consonant as well as vowel sounds. We use the when we have already talked about something. For example, I am reading a new book now. The book is very good. Here in the second sentence, the article the is used before book because we have already talked about the same book in the first sentence. We use the when we talk about something in particular, not in general, means something that we already know about. For example, the principal is busy. Here we are talking about a particular principle which we already know about. We are not talking about any general principle. When we say the principal is busy, then we know that about which principle we are talking about. So here we have used the article the before the word principal. We use the when there is only one of something. For example, the earth moves around the sun. Earth is only one that we know, so the article the is used before it. Similarly, sun also is only one that we know, and the article the is used before it. We use the before a plural noun being talked in particular. For example, the watermelons are in a basket. Here the word watermelons is a plural noun and we are talking about the particular watermelons, so the article the is used before it. One thing should be remembered, we cannot use the article a or n before a plural noun. We use the article the before the names of buildings, rivers, seas, oceans, hills, mountains and mountain ranges. For example, the Indian Ocean, which is the name of an ocean, the Nile, which is the name of a river, the Burj Khalifa, which is the name of a building, etc. Now see this question. Here you have to complete these sentences with the correct article a, n or the. For example, number one is where is dash moon? It is in dash sky. Here it is talking about a particular moon which revolves around the earth. So the article the is used before moon. Since there is only one sky that we see, so again the article the is used before sky. The next is I have dash pet cat. Here since pet cat is written for the first time, so the article a will be used here. Again it is written she plays with me in dash garden. So here we are talking about a particular garden which belongs to the speaker. So the article the will be used here. Now in the next question, in each number two sentences are given. You have to tick the correct one. In number 1, the first sentence is father is sitting in the garden. Clearly here we are talking about the particular garden which we already know about. So this is a correct sentence. Also, if you see the second sentence, it is written father is sitting in an garden. So obviously, since garden does not begin with a vowel sound, so the article an cannot be used here. So this is a wrong statement according to the grammar. So you have to do these two questions. This is now the end of the video. Thanks for listening and God bless you all.